Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm still here in Golden, Colorado, but I'm here at the Spyderco Factory. It's a knife company. I don't know if you can see it through there. Anyway, I'm gonna go check it out.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
They have a retail outlet here at Spyderco, and my understanding is they also make them here, but I don't know if they give tours or not. But yeah. It says it's the factory outlet. I didn't know that. Here's the hours. Yep. Well, they have some pretty cool knives here, and they also don't do tours, so.
You can, Craig, can you take a call? Yes. You can transfer it to 106? Yes. Okay.
This is cool. They're recognizing a lot of the military and first responders here. That is absolutely cool. Got a little deal here about 9/11. These are steel beams from the tower. I don't know which tower. Let's see which tower it says. Tower number 1. Yeah, very cool. Yep, that's pretty darn cool. Look at all these patches. This is cool. Very cool. I'll say. I didn't know they made tools also. Cool. Looks like they made dove knives. My understanding is they discontinued that model. Well, they don't do tours here, which I figured that out. I think I already knew that. But if you want to get a cheaper Spyderco knife, like I did, I'll show you it here in a minute. You can come here and get a knife cheaper, right around 25% off, so not too bad. And I got a discontinued one, so, which was a lot more cheaper, because I'm a poor boy. Anyway, so if you're out here, don't come out of your way, but if you're out here, stop by and check out the Spyderco place, especially if you like knives. I got a bunch of knives. Every time I went to a gun show, I bought a knife. All right, I got this knife, and it's called the Byrd knife, and it's got a partial serrated and it's a G10 handle, looks like anyway. And there's the knife, not bad at all. Now this knife is from China, and I thought they were all made here, but apparently some of them are made in China, and then they do make some here. I've got me a knife to carry, and if I lose it, I'm not too sad because it was fairly cheap. Yep. The Byrd. The Byrd is a word. The Byrd is a word. Here's the back if you want to stop and read that. It says designed by Spyderco on here, so. And there's some more information. But this knife is discontinued. I think you can get it here, maybe. I don't know. Maybe some of the people that have knives in stock would have it. But yeah, they got me a new knife to carry over here. And the one I'm carrying, I really don't want to lose it. It's a little more expensive knife. Get it out of my pocket. And there it is. It's a small knife. And I believe this model is called the Twitch, and it's the smaller Twitch. And I was trying to remember who makes these. I forget. They got way too many knives. I don't remember. This knife is from SOG, and it's called the Twitch. And it's also a lockback, like the Spyderco I have now. And this in here has a spring-loaded opening. So, and you can actually lock this here down so it doesn't open accidentally or shut accidentally. Nice little knife. Yeah. And Spyderco has these holes here, and some people are really proficient at snapping these out, but I'm not. And it is a lockback too here. Locks it in. Very cool. We'll put that one in my pocket. Put that one in my pocket too. Catch you on the road at Spyderco in Golden, Colorado.